Hi guys, I'm tutor. In this last activity of English 5, I gonna talk about the use of the social media in teenager. Okay, social media and teenager self-esteem. Many studies show that most young people use different pages or social networks such as Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, etc. And yeah, but I think it's not only for young people because kids, adult, and it's very addicted or about the social network. It shows us great tool for them to communicate. Yeah, it's obviously that you when when that page were created, the people can communicate better since you are always interconnected that when you have a phone or computer. But many times young people get depressed and they're such a networkers since it is a proof that they looking for on the network the family like and many negative comments for the girls or unknown people that are not so soft for them. Yeah, I think it's a first first step that one group of people can be bad the self-esteem. A large majority of people believe that social networks are bad, that they bridge problems, but many science and research say that this is no escape for all cases. Many research say that most of the problems seen in social networks are in the use of inappropriate or inexpert. So, giving personal information to extreme photo photo that can be used by bad people for harassment purpose, etc. Also talking to a stranger, etc. Research in this area also say that we must different reality with influence with social network since social network do not turn the two reality. Many of the young people who suffering with self-esteem due to social network allow because compare their life with the influence and see that the life are significant of etc. Because we need to know that that the social network show us one reality that is not possible. We need to live in the real reality. We need to love ourselves. Yeah, we need to using that networks, social networks. But we need to pay attention when some people, something is not great for us. Well, guys, thank you very much. I hope that you can understand me. And thank you, teacher, for everything this semester. Bye bye.